Hit the brake. Hold on. And get on this thing straight. This is the other side. It's worse. Press the brake. Now, dude. Hit the brake. Just stay on the brake real quick. Hold on. You gotta put it back in neutral. I can't even get it on video like this. Just a neutral. This is the same shit. Can't hear this side that being that different. It just moved a little bit on this one, but it still sucked up as it's squeaking.